This might be the beginning of the video. If it is, welcome to Luke's Amateur Hour. We're unboxing a 20 volt cordless saw here. I tell you what, man, that is a real pain to get open. It comes with this sheath, which is nice. That's good. 20 volt. I heard you can upgrade the bar on this, and it'll run pretty well. So that's good. Let me get you in a decent angle here. So it's got a this is for doing the chain. This is a tensioner, right? So this is putting on the chain and the bar and whatnot, and this is your tensioner. It's pretty light. The weight, frankly, the weight on it is centered pretty well, like right here, which is pretty nice. It's like about right here. So it's right under your hand there. That's pretty good. I like that. And then we got our oil. Let's see how this pops out. There we go. Oh. Wow. Well, it's not opening on its own, that's for sure. That's good. I heard this thing eats oil. So, I bought some bar and chain oil, some Oregon. Where am I at? Oregon bar and chain oil. And like I said, I bought the separate batteries, so I'll have to get this going. So I'll have a test on this in the coming days. I got to travel for work. You'll probably get this while I'm actually out of state. I'll upload it from my hotel room. But when I come back, I got some trees that came down. Got some trees that came down in recent winds. So there we go. Battery dead. Deader than doorknob. So we'll get that battery charged up. I like that. That's good. Good stuff. And also, I didn't oil it. I should oil it. You know, for reasons. It doesn't really have any on it. The slightest whiff of oil. Anyway, that's all I got here. Wanted to open this up, and I'll have some better stuff for you guys, you know, as I play around with this. So I'll give you a full review whether this is good for homeowners or not. I got a feeling it is. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This one, getting it out of that stinking box took a while, but this didn't take an hour. You guys have a good day, YouTube.